Ever found yourself wrestling with a sea of data in Excel, unsure of how to extract the meaningful insights you need? It's a common problem, and one that can leave even the most seasoned spreadsheet wizards scratching their heads. Today, we'll dive deep into one of Excel's most powerful tools to help you conquer your data dilemmas, the VLOOKUP function. Now you might be asking, what exactly is VLOOKUP? In short, VLOOKUP, or vertical lookup, is an Excel function that allows you to find specific information in your spreadsheet. Think of it as a search engine, but for your data. It's a game changer when it comes to data analysis and can save you countless hours of manual searching. To understand how VLOOKUP works, imagine you have a large spreadsheet filled with employee data, and you need to find information about a specific employee. Instead of scrolling through thousands of rows, you could use VLOOKUP to find the information instantly. Here's how it works. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and identify the data you want to search. Select the cell where you want the VLOOKUP result to appear. From there, open the function dialog by pressing the FX button. Choose VLOOKUP from the list of functions. Next, you'll see a dialog box with 4 fields. Each of these fields plays a crucial role in the VLOOKUP function. The first field, lookup value, is the specific information you want to find. In our example, this could be an employee's name. The second field, table array, is the range of cells where Excel should search for the lookup value. This range should include the lookup value and the related information you want to extract. The third field, col_index_num, is the column number in the table array that contains the information you want to retrieve. If you're looking for an employee's department, for instance, and this information is in the third column of your table array, you'd enter the number 3. The final field, range lookup, determines how Excel matches the lookup value. If you want an exact match, input false or 0. If an approximate match will do, input true or 1. Once you've filled in these fields, hit OK. Excel will then search your specified range for the lookup value and return the corresponding information from the column you specified. And voila, you've mastered the VLOOKUP function. In summary, VLOOKUP is a powerful tool that can drastically streamline your data analysis in Excel. It allows you to quickly and efficiently find specific information in large data sets, saving you from the tedious task of manually searching through rows of data. Remember the 4 fields: lookup value, table array, col_index_num, and range lookup, and you'll be wielding VLOOKUP like a pro in no time. So the next time you find yourself lost in a sea of data, don't despair. With VLOOKUP by your side, you'll be navigating your spreadsheets with ease and efficiency.